Hello everybody, my name is Brandon Ivey from Los Angeles, California. I go by Bitcoin Brandon, and first and foremost, Happy New Year. We are now in the year 2022, and it is very exciting that we just came off of the greatest year in cryptocurrency's history in 2021. Now, for those of you that are brand new to Bitcoin and crypto, and you might feel that you're hearing about this or learning about it too late, that's okay. You are still very early on, but I think by this point, as cryptocurrency is becoming far more mainstream, that you are understanding the importance of Bitcoin, the importance of cryptocurrency, and why this is something that you need to learn about in your life, no matter what you're doing right now, whether you understand it or not, whether you believe it or not, whether you want it to happen. This is happening. It is irrelevant what you believe. This is taking place, and we want to be able to show you how you can be positioned in this place. You see, my crypto journey started about a little more than 5 years ago. I didn't know what it was. I didn't understand it. To me, I thought it was nothing but monopoly money that people were using on the internet. I didn't think there was anything real to it. But I bought my first Bitcoin in 2016. And in 2017, I became a six-figure earner in the crypto space very, very rapidly, not just because of the timing, but also because of the education. I started to ask around about what this Bitcoin and crypto thing was, and to my surprise, nobody even understood it, even though that they were putting money in it. I saw a lot of people losing a lot of money, and there was no formal education. So I said, I need to learn this. And I spent 6 months doing something I don't recommend that you do, and that is going to YouTube and Google. I spent 6 months and realized that 50% of the information that I learned was incorrect. But I did learn two things that changed my life. And the first is that blockchain technology is going to revolutionize the world by interrupting and disrupting every single industry on the planet. The second thing that I learned is that cryptocurrency represents the greatest economic shift in wealth in the history of mankind for the most amount of people. The most amount of people, meaning all you need is a cell phone, access to the internet, and a willingness to learn. And I created the crypto educational courses to walk you through this step by step for the brand new beginner. And I did it in a way that my mom can understand, because I used to go to blockchain expos and listen to the people on stage, and I didn't understand a word they were talking about. To me, it sounded like they were speaking NASA language. So I broke this down in a way that you can understand. We have 45 lessons broken up into 3 courses: Bitcoin 101, Crypto Advanced, and how to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. We have specific price points for you guys to be able to get started that is affordable. Total price for all of our crypto education is $1,890. Beginning price to get first started is $40. So you can get started at the $40 or at the top level. You're going to learn everything you need to learn about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in streaming video. Our videos are anywhere between 5 minutes to 30 minutes long, so that you can fit in your time period no matter what your schedule is. Some of you may have a busy schedule. You're working 2 or 3 jobs. You're a single parent. You don't feel like you have a lot of time. These videos are done that you can play at your own speed. Stop, pause, rewind it, come back to it whenever you want. Some people go through it in 6 months. Other people go through it in a weekend. But on top of that, we're also offering an opportunity for you to earn, so that you can take the crypto education that you're learning and build a portfolio with it. This company, or not even a company, it's a smart contract that is called iLearning Crypto. With iLearning Crypto, we're going to allow you to earn while you learn, so that you can earn instantly, not next month, not next week, not tomorrow. But how about instantly, because the smart contract is attached directly to your wallet? So how can you earn? Well, not only are you getting crypto education, but if you share this with others, if you share with other people who need crypto education, you're going to earn 50% of every single sale. 50%, and there's no limit on how many sales that you can do. This smart contract has already paid out over $1.6 million in referral commissions from people who have shared with others. And we believe that 2022, with your help, it's going to be even bigger. So with that, I want to invite you to get back to the person who is showing you this video. Let them show you an official presentation. You can learn what our crypto education is all about and how the smart contract works. so that you can earn while you learn and start to build your crypto portfolio today. Again, my name is Brandon Ivey, Bitcoin Brandon from Los Angeles, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye.